Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and thanks for hanging out with me today on another special video where I have a collaboration with Tina, Moon Baby Nails. I love her and love her channel and we connected over the summer and I have just been obsessing over her channel ever since. So this collab means the world to me. We decided that we will be doing ovarian cancer. So this was the only teal-like color I have. It's a thermal changing polish, so I'm going to have to work a little fast before it changes to purple. But yes, this is the base color, and let's go ahead and get started. I hope everyone is doing well and having a good week. I'm going to do the decals. I'm going to drop them in. If you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Chase and I love doing DIY nail art on demo tips and my own hand manicures and pedicures. So thank you all so much for joining and hanging out with me today. I love Tina and her channel. She gives me so much life and she is one of my favorite nail tubers. I'm going to be using my big bling jelly to pick up these decals and I'm going to place them right here in the middle. And in between the butterflies, I'm going to do the ribbon. Pick it up, dry it off, dry it off. Unfortunately, cancer is in my family and my grandma's brothers and sisters have passed away from cancer, so this collab means a lot to me and I'm so excited and happy to be doing my first awareness mani with Tina, Moon Baby Nails. So now I'm going to place a ribbon in between those. I'm going to take this stamping polish and I think I'm going to use this brush to start with. It's a fine 10-point brush. Gonna try to do a ribbon. Oh my goodness. Oof. Oh my goodness, I messed up big time. Just gonna make that a little bit bigger. Oh my goodness. And then I'm going to do a white outline. Get some white. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna stop there. I don't want to make that ribbon any worse. Okay, let's try some stamping because I am not very comfortable with that freehand ribbon. So when researching, I did see some white hearts, so I'm gonna pick this up. I'm so sorry for my ribbons. My goodness, that one is the best one. That ribbon was bugging me, so I had to replace another white heart over, and I will be doing another ribbon. Alright, and these are what the nails look like before the no wipe top coat. And here are the final results on this ovarian awareness mani. I created black ribbons because when I did some research, there were some black ones and black hearts. So this was my attempt of free-handing the ribbons. And I want to thank everyone for hanging out with me and joining me on this beautiful collab with Tina, Moon Baby Nails. I will link her YouTube channel in my description below. Thank you, everyone, and I hope you have a wonderful Wednesday and be safe. Bye.